I love ice skating so much, and it is also the main part of ice hockey or figure skating. These sports are different in so many ways, but one thing that they have in common is ice skating. And it made me think, how does ice skating even work? I mean, I know how to skate, but what is happening between the skate and ice that allows us to move? I came up with a few ideas by myself, but when I tried to find something scientifically correct, I couldn't find anything. And it was kinda surprising to me that scientists know how to travel to space, but they still don't know how to explain something so ordinary like ice skating. Thankfully, it is not like they have no clue how does it work, but they just haven't found everything yet. And in this video, I'm gonna try to explain to you the parts of ice skating that are known. There are at least 4 different mechanisms, of which only 2 of them I can explain. Basically, we have to create a thin layer of water between the ice and skate to be able to slide. But how do we do that? The first possible explanation is mechanism called regulation. For better understanding, I performed a small experiment. I froze water into a shape of brick and supported both edges. Over the middle of the ice brick, I hung up some weights on a wire. The wire started cutting the ice due to the pressure that was created by the weights. But the interesting thing is that when the wire came all the way through, the brick was still in one piece. But how? The main role plays the pressure. Basically, under the wire, the pressure is applied, and because of that, the ice melts. But above the wire, no more pressure is applied, so the water starts freezing again. When ice skating, the pressure is applied to the blade of an ice skate, and instead of hang-up weights, we are using our own weight. The ice melts under our blades, so we are able to slide. You may think that this sounds like a satisfying answer, but according to scientists, an average man weighing 70 kilograms is not able to exert enough pressure to create the thin layer of water when it's around under -3 degrees Celsius. But it is known that we are able to do that, so there has to be another mechanism. This mechanism is friction. We all know that heat is generated during friction, and that could explain why we are able to ice skate even in colder temperatures. But even this explanation isn't enough, because this mechanism is also limited by temperature, and that is -30 degrees. It shouldn't work under this limit, but we are still able to skate in these rough conditions. That shows that there has to be another, yet unknown mechanism that would cover this mystery. And the last mechanism should clear how are we even able to start sliding. But this is also still unknown. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video and that ice skating is now more clear to you. Thanks for watching.